My name is Alison Collins, and I'm a family medicine physician at CHRISTUS Trinity Clinic. I grew up in Grand Rapids, Michigan, which is a little bit further north than we are right now. Grew up with a lot of snow in the winter and in the spring. In a big family, we did a lot of outdoor activities. I grew up on the lake as well, and it was a great community to grow up in. Personally, my parents have had the biggest influence on my life, and I think that's an appropriate position for them to hold. We're really close, and they have taught me to be calm, to be patient, and to listen. I decided that I wanted to be a doctor when I was in 7th grade. We were doing biology, and we were just memorizing like the muscles and the bones and the parts of the body and that kind of thing, and I loved it. I loved the Greek and the Latin words, and I loved the rigor of the memorization. Later on in college, I was pre-med, but I also spent a lot of my time studying the great books, philosophy, reading history, and all of that together combined to foster a desire in me to be a healer. I love family medicine because every day is an adventure. There's always something new, taking care of the whole family from birth until the very end. You're always getting to see somebody different, but also seeing the patients in their proper context, in their family. I was drawn to CHRISTUS Trinity Mother Francis because I was looking for a faith-based community where it was physician-led, where there would be room for growth, but also room for my family-oriented perspective. As a DO, a doctor of osteopathy, I've been trained to look at the whole person. So when a patient comes into my office, I'm looking at their whole story, and I'm striving to take care of not just their physical needs, but their emotional, their spiritual, their mental needs as well. I grew up sailing. My parents had a 19-foot Lightning, which is a racing boat, and I was sailing pretty much before I could even walk. We raced primarily in Michigan, but as a kid we would travel to the East Coast and to Florida, and so we'd race kind of all over the country.